my channel. What's up? It's my name Fadzli. It's your girl. I'm back. Okay, whatever. Today, guess what? I have my gorgeous sister. Not really gorgeous, but you know, it's Fadzli, aka Nana. So you guys should definitely follow her on Instagram, Fadzli, and I think that's solid. Stop it. Okay, so today Tana, sabar. You guys should definitely subscribe to my Instagram, follow my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's free, guys. Go subscribe and you'll be always fine.
I'm gonna explain what today's challenge works. How today's challenge. I can't talk.
Yeah, because you rushed to.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain how today's challenge works. On the right side, we have her face features like eyes, nose, mouth, and stuff. This left side, which is the yellow, these are makeup products. For example, eyebrows. And then she picks one from here, and she gets lipstick. So I have to put lipstick on her eyebrows. This is basically my idea. So cut that out. Cut that out. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Pick one. Close your eye.
Nah.
This, I hope you guys can see.
It's about not. This one.
She literally took the same one. She got. What is this? Oh, sorry. Let's put some eyeshadow on her cheeks. I think I'm gonna use this one.
What? No, muka aja.
So, this color, which is close to the color of blusher, so it won't be as cruel.
I don't have mirror.
You're not supposed to see it. Oh my god, dude. Okay, wow, beautiful. Next one, choose the next one. Okay, so right now she got eyes, and then from this side she got eyebrow pencil. So that's not too bad actually. Flaky word. I got eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna do it on her eye. She doesn't have eyebrow pencil.
Kat situ lah.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna substitute eyebrow pencil with.
No, I have. Kat situ.
No, with this lip liner.
Oh my god.
Okay lah, too. People do this. I'm gonna do like eyeliner. That's actually not too bad. I swear. See now. Oh my god, girl. James Charles.
Jangan tengok.
Jangan tengok, don't look. If you look, I swear to God, I'm not gonna continue this. Next one.
Oh, I can see.
Next one. Next one.
Okay.
Okay. Now she got forehead, the yellow one. Faster. Eyeliner. You have eyeliner.
Yeah.
Okay, go take it. I'm not gonna go too bad. Okay, done. Next. Okay, now she got eyebrows. She got lipstick on her eyebrows. I'm gonna put lipstick
Oh my god.
on your eyebrows.
No, that's my favorite lipstick.
That's not your favorite lipstick. The color is so ugly. Okay, next. Oh, you look wonderful. Lips. Ooh, I wonder what will be on your lips, girl. Blusher. I'm gonna use
Blusher.
Tak payah buat macam tu. This one is not too bad because the blusher is pink. The next one is. What are you trying to do? Nose. Mascara on your nose.
No, waterproof.
No, this is not waterproof. This is easy to. I'm just gonna put like that.
Oh, the highlight mascara.
Yeah, this is highlight. Okay. The last one is cheeks. So, wait, what? Oh, cheekbones.
Oh my god.
Cheekbones. bronzer will be on her cheekbones. Wow, this is actually like perfect.
This one.
No, Irene, this one.
Nah, this one.
No, that.
Nah, this one.
I already put this one. Pandang lah, sana. We have done with all of this. With all of this, we're gonna finish it off with a concealer. We're gonna show her face to Irene. 1, 2. Why do you look scared?
Stop.
Dia ada mengaji.
Are you also?
No.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Lana, how dare you? I'm your sister. You're so rude. Oh, I like sister. I like that. Boleh viralkan tau. Lana jerawat. Bodoh lah kau ni.
Mana boleh jerawat datang cepat macam tu?